Just like magic, just like magic. Middle finger to my thumb and then I snap it. Just like magic. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Courtnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Just Like Magic by Ariana Grande from Positions, the new album. For this tutorial, we're going to be using basic chords, only two chords guys, C and D. Now make sure your guitars are starting tuning and put your cap on fret number 1. Let's get right into it. So the first chord you're going to be using is a C, right? Just like magic. And then you can slide this 2 frets up so that it's now fret 3 to 5 instead of 1 to 3. Right? Or you can hold the D. Okay? Whichever you think sounds better. I think sliding makes it sound better. Just like magic, just like magic. Middle finger to my thumb and then I snap it. Right? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, that's your strumming pattern, and again you can use the D major. Now if you're not familiar with these chords, you can check out my chord videos. It has a detailed illustration to this chords so you can learn them there and then come back to this video for your progressions. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.